Well, I've always been more concerned that the mistakes were made leading up to this, about security or lack of security. When the ambassador asked for more security and it was denied by Secretary Clinton, I've always thought that was the most egregious part of this. I never have quite understood the cover-up or if it was intentional or incompetence, but something went on. I mean, they had talking points that they were trying to make it out to be about a movie when everybody seemed to be on the ground telling them it had nothing to do with the movie. I don't know if this was for political reasons. I've always actually suspected, although I have no evidence, that maybe we were facilitating arms leaving Libya, going through Turkey into Syria. In the week preceding this, the New York Times has reported that there was a Turkish ship taking Libyan arms and giving them to Syrians. And they've interviewed the commander of the boat, the captain of the boat, talked about the supplies. I don't know. Were they trying to obscure that there was an arms operation going on at the CIA annex? I'm not sure exactly what was going on, but I think the questions ought to be asked and answered. And I am a little curious when employees of the State Department are told by government officials they shouldn't testify, and then they're sort of sequestered and kept away from testimony. So I think there may be more to this.
And Senator, I know you're saying, look, you don't have proof of whether the United States was involved in some sort of arms dealing in this situation between Libya and Syria. But I mean, and that's speculation, as you freely admitted yourself. But isn't that part of the problem here, that there's so much speculation? I mean, are we ever going to know?
I think one thing we do know, and we know with absolute certainty, is that the ambassador, Colonel Wood, multiple people within the embassy in Libya were asking for help. They were asking for security in the 6 months preceding the attack. And we do know that Secretary Clinton didn't read the cables and didn't provide the security. And that's without question a dereliction of duty.